All right, so pardon the mess here. It's an inside rain day, so I'm trying to get all my cameras back up and running, and we accidentally pulled all the SIM cards out. So we now have a pile of SIM cards, and they're not matching up to the cameras. I'm going to show you what I did and how TACTACAM, I mean, we solved this problem within just less than an hour. Let's get into it. I'll show you what I had to do to get all the cards matched back up with all these cameras. All right, so what happened is we've got like 9 or 10 cameras that we run during the fall of these TACTACAM reveals, and I had somebody assisting me with pulling the cards, and we accidentally pulled out the SIM cards instead of the SD cards, which it could happen. Anyways, that's the backstory. So I tried getting some of the cameras back up and running, and they won't work. They won't work unless you have the exact SIM card that was programmed to that camera from the factory. So I contacted TACTACAM customer support, and what we had to do was I had to take a picture of each of the barcodes still on the inside door of the cameras and send them in to a gal there that was working with me, and then she was able to look them up in the system and match up the SIM card ID numbers, which allowed me to get them back matched properly and get all my cameras up and running again. All right, this is working out very, very nicely. You know, I just look up at the emails and match them up here, and bing, bang, boom, I should be back in business. So the SIM cards are on the door side, and what happened is we accidentally took them all out. But they're kind of hard to get out. So what I did was I ejected them, just grabbed a pair of scissors, you know, and just gently, or a needle nose, and pull them out like that. So that's it in a nutshell. If you accidentally pull out your SIM cards instead of your SD cards on your TACTACAM Reveal cameras, they will not work without the exact one. However, like I did, you can contact customer support and kind of do a back doorway of doing it to get them back up and running again, because otherwise they're useless. I mean, without that SIM card from the original, from the factory, that camera won't work. So if you make this mistake, I hope this helps you. So best of luck with your trail cams, guys and gals. Thanks a lot.